P, Q, R and T are points on a circle, centre 0. STU is a tangent to the circle at T. Find, given reasons, the following angles: RPT, TRQ and RTS. Right, so the first one we're going to find is RPT, which is this one here. Okay, so that's going to be half of what this angle here is at the centre. So half of 132 is 66. The reason is that the angle at the centre is twice the angle at the circumference, or words to that effect. Now we've got to find angle TRQ. Well, here we've got what's known as a cyclic quadrilateral. So if we mark this as 66, then we can find we've got this angle here of this cyclic quadrilateral. We're being asked to find this one here, with opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So we need to do 180 minus 66 minus 38, which gives me 76 degrees. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is the reason. So that's 76. Last part, we've got to find RTS. It's this one here. Well, this angle here and this angle here are the same. Okay, so our RTS is equal to is equal to angle TPR, this angle here. So this angle here is also 66. The reason being it's called angles in the alternate segment theorem. Okay, so here we have our segment. This is the alternate segment. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to do a few problems using circle theorems. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.